drink a lot.
Okay, we're here at Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, and we're looking at this beautiful handmade chopper, okay? And it's all fabricated. It is absolutely gorgeous. Everything, exquisite machine work. And I'm going to talk to the builder because this is the guy that made this. Look at that. Look at that handcrafting. Okay, so welcome to another edition of Who Am I and What's My Story. So what's your name, sir?
Terry McElroy from Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas. So Terry, tell me something. Tell me about your background, or first of all, tell me about the bike.
Well, the bike started off about 9 years ago. I bought the seat first, and I built the whole bike around the seat. These days and times, you have to be different to be out, you know, to show out, and show your craftsmanship.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about what you do for a living.
Well, I'm a mechanical engineer for an oil and gas company in Texas. I used to design compressors and steam turbines and gas turbines, and now I'm a project manager. I basically run field crews taking care of that type of equipment.
Okay, how did you? Where did you go to college?
Columbia University, New York.
Columbia University, from Houston to Columbia. How did you get into that college?
Well, first of all, grades. You gotta have a GPA to get into a school like that. Secondly, my ex-wife was going there, so I got in, she got in. And I spent 4 years after the Army getting through school. And I didn't get to the party stages like, you know, the younger kids are going to college. I was 23 when I got out. I wasn't 21, you know, 20 years old. And the mechanical engineering degree that I obtained from that school has basically allowed me to provide a great career for me, and then gives me a hobby of building cool choppers on the side.
Right, right. What kind of classes did you have to take in junior high and high school to get to Columbia University?
Calculus, lots of math for mechanical engineering, lots of chemistry, just all advanced level classes that you need to take to get into a school like that.
And so you started your study habits when?
Probably elementary, basically. I mean, you know, I was always be able to read and write and just create things, and basically wanted to. My dad was pretty strict, and he said, "Straight A's or you don't play football," and that's the truth.
Is that right?
Oh yeah, straight A's or you don't play football.
Texas is pretty much a football state. I've been there. I used to live there. Okay, so tell me a little more about the bike.
Okay, well this front end is all 2x4 rectangle tubing, and it's sleeved to obtain the mechanical integrity of it, because the thickness of it would be flimsy if you didn't weld these gussets in there, okay? And then it's all artistically ground by hand. And the bars are all hand drilled, hand bent, rosebud torch, clear coated to have the patina look. These tanks started off as CO2 tanks that they use in restaurant facilities. And basically they were 6 inches longer. What we did was we cut out a 6-inch section, welded it back together, and then you got what you see. All these ridges are welded and hand grinded. If you look at the bottom of this particular liquor, it's exactly like you see. All the copper lines done by hand. Of course, my favorite part of the bike is the 1847 John Deere tractor seat.
Where did that seat come from again?
I actually searched for years and years off of eBay and Craigslist and everywhere, and I wanted an authentic seat. So when I finally found it, the seat was about $600 because it came with the original paperwork.
That seat?
Yes, sir.
1847
John Deere tractor.
John Deere tractor.
Yes, sir.
How about that? Well, thank you so much for sharing your
much.
story with
Thank
me.
you.
Appreciate you bringing your bike here to Sturgis.
Great, thank you very much.